Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by prepping the cabbage. Cut away the core and shred it into even 2-3 mm ribbons so the dressing clings. Once done, toss the cabbage with 1 teaspoon salt and let it sit for 10 minutes. This draws out excess water and makes the texture tender without cooking. While it rests, squeeze out any released liquid with clean hands or a towel. This concentrates flavor and prevents a watery salad, so make sure to do that thoroughly before moving on. Now you make the dressing and combine it with the cabbage. Whisk 200 g mayonnaise with 1 tablespoon vinegar and 1 teaspoon sugar to balance acidity and richness. Add 1/2 teaspoon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon black pepper for depth. If the dressing feels too thick, thin with 2 tablespoons milk. This helps it coat every ribbon. Once mixed, use a cutting motion to fold dressing into the cabbage so it coats without bruising. This keeps the crunch and ensures even flavor distribution. To finish, chill the salad 20-30 minutes so flavors meld and the texture settles. This makes it taste brighter and helps the mayo integrate. Before serving, taste and adjust seasoning. Add salt or a squeeze of lemon if it seems too rich and more pepper for bite. If it becomes watery, drain off excess liquid, press gently, and add 1 tablespoon extra mayonnaise to rebind the dressing. This quick fix restores creaminess without losing crunch, ensuring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.